This is not just a machine. This is air dominance. But before a fighter jet touches the sky, it begins deep inside the Earth. Every fighter jet starts as raw titanium ore, mined from massive open pits carved into the planet's surface. The crushed ore is loaded, secured, and transported by freight trains across vast distances to specialized refineries. Inside extreme heat furnaces, titanium is melted, purified, and cast into solid ingots, ready for aerospace use. Aluminum begins as bauxite, mined from red earth deposits that will later form lightweight structural components. Through chemical refining and intense heat, aluminum transforms into strong, lightweight slabs for aircraft panels. Carbon fiber is spun thread by thread, woven into ultra-strong composite sheets that give the jet its stealth and strength. Before approval, every material is stress tested under extreme pressure to ensure it survives supersonic forces. Certified materials are stacked, secured, and loaded onto heavy transport vehicles bound for the aircraft factory. At the factory gates, raw materials are unloaded and prepared for precision machining. Titanium sheets are cut by computer-controlled lasers, shaping the skeleton of the future jet. Aluminum panels are pressed and curved to form the aerodynamic outer skin. Carbon fiber panels are trimmed and cured to create lightweight, radar-absorbing surfaces. The fuselage frame takes shape as robotic welders assemble the aircraft's internal backbone. Wings are built from titanium spars and composite skins, designed to handle extreme G-forces. The wings are carefully attached, aligned with laser precision for perfect aerodynamic balance. Inside the nose, advanced radar systems and sensitive avionics are installed and wired. The cockpit is assembled, ejection seat, controls, and digital flight displays all integrated. Landing gear systems are installed to withstand brutal takeoffs and landings. Meanwhile, the heart of the jet, its engine, is assembled blade by blade. The completed engine is carefully mounted into the fuselage and secured into place. Fuel systems are installed, sealed and tested to prevent even the smallest leak. Hydraulic systems are connected to power the jet's moving control surfaces. Electrical networks bring life to the aircraft's advanced systems. Vertical stabilizers are attached, giving the jet directional stability at high speed. Horizontal stabilizers are mounted, enabling precise pitch control mid-flight. The internal weapons bay is assembled and tested for secure deployment. Stealth coating is applied, a special radar-absorbing layer that reduces detection. Final paint and markings are added, completing the aircraft's exterior. The aircraft powers on for the first time, systems lighting up across the cockpit. The engine roars to life in a controlled test environment. Outside, the jet prepares for ground movement testing. Taxi trials confirm steering, braking, and stability. High-speed runway tests push the aircraft close to liftoff. Engineers conduct a final inspection before first flight approval. At sunrise, the jet makes its first true flight into open sky. In the air, it performs aggressive maneuvers to prove its strength. After successful tests, the aircraft returns safely to the runway. Flight data is analyzed and officially approved. The jet is handed over to the military for operational deployment. The delivery flight begins, carrying the aircraft to its new base. Cruising at altitude, the jet demonstrates smooth, long-range capability. It lands at its operational base, ready for service. Refueling operations prepare it for its first mission cycle. Weapon systems are installed and tested for readiness.
Final checks ensure every system performs flawlessly. At sunset, the jet launches into operational airspace. Low-level flight demonstrates its stealth and agility. At night, advanced radar and infrared systems take over. The aircraft returns from night operations successfully. Maintenance crews inspect and prepare it for the next mission. Dawn rises again and the cycle continues. Another powerful takeoff proves consistent performance. Every component works together at supersonic speed. High above the clouds, it cruises effortlessly. Even storms cannot disrupt its engineered stability. Flying in formation, it becomes part of a greater force. Extreme maneuvers demonstrate unmatched agility. As the sun sets, the jet completes another mission. From raw metal to sky dominance, this is how a fighter jet is made.